Hello, another AQA A-level multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to choose a different question, hit that information card. If you want to try and do the question yourself, pause the video now. And if you get the answer A, well done. So, which row is true for an elastic collision when between two objects in an isolated system? So, first of all, elastic collisions. Elastic collisions are ones in which kinetic energy is conserved. That is the definition of elastic collisions. In elastic collisions, the kinetic energy is not conserved. Some of that kinetic energy is transferred to thermal energy. An isolated system means there are no outside forces acting. And momentum is always concerned if there are no outside forces acting on the system. So the answer is A. Kinetic energy is conserved because it's kinetic. It's an elastic collision. Momentum is conserved because there's no outside forces acting. Answer A. If you found this video useful, hit on that subscribe button for me, please. Thank you. Hit the like button, share with friends, and watch more in the series. Thank you for watching.